We've already uncovered some of the darkest secrets hidden beneath Antarctica. But what if that was only the beginning? Because the truth is, the deeper scientists explore this frozen continent, the more they realize something unsettling. Antarctica is far more mysterious than we ever imagined. Hidden beneath miles of ice are mountains no one has ever seen, strange signals we can't explain, active volcanoes buried under glaciers, and places that don't even look like Earth. And the most chilling part? Some of these discoveries raise more questions than answers. Today, we're diving into 10 more terrifying mysteries hidden in Antarctica. Our first video got a lot of attention. Now we're diving deeper into the second series. As the camera slowly glides over the ice sheets, you'll feel the cold breath of the unknown in your ears. My voice will guide you as you try to understand the silent screams of the distant continent. In this video, we're opening up 10 more mysteries, each one a blow to the limits of science. Get ready, because the stories in the dark will redefine the Antarctica you know. The Gamburtsev Mountains beneath the ice, peaks as high as the Alps stretch out, and no one has seen them directly. Radar images show sharp ridges, deep valleys for hundreds of kilometers. The existence of these mountains rewrites questions about Antarctica's geological past. Geologists are debating how to explain this structure, because classic plate tectonics models don't quite fit. Every radar scan whispers a new question. What secrets do these mountains hold? The IceCube Neutrino Observatory. IceCube, placed deep in the ice at the South Pole, listens for the universe's smallest ghost particles. Thousands of sensors are placed miles deep in the clear ice, as if talking. Neutrinos can bring us the souls of stars, the screams of black holes. So every signal is important. But some signals are unexpected, higher energy than expected, coming from unexpected directions. These anomalies seem to push the boundaries of current physics laws. In the silence within the ice, we listen to the whispers of the universe. The perfect ice circles appearing in satellite images at first glance suggest a mathematical order. Some explain these formations by melting, refreezing, gas bubbles, but sometimes seeing such perfect shapes in nature is unsettling. The edges of the circles are clear. They create a sharp contrast with their surroundings. Observers have reported that some circles remained unchanged for months. Scientists are trying to figure out the reason with models, ground measurements. Every piece of data could be a clue. The clean air mystery. Antarctica has the cleanest air in the world, but strange chemical reactions are hidden within this cleanliness. Even the isolated atmosphere can produce surprises when it interacts with the sun's rays, when it interacts with the ice surface. Studies show some reactive molecules form at different rates than expected. This opens up gaps that need to be corrected in global chemistry models. As I watch the silent dance of the atmosphere, I understand how invisible processes can create big impacts. Scientists are collecting samples, spectrometers are recording, and the findings are shaping our understanding of global climate. Volcanoes beneath the ice. There could be hundreds of volcanoes under the ice, some silent and deep, some ready to erupt. Mount Erebus's active gases rarely but steadily affect the continent's face. Geophysical signals sometimes appear as unexpected heat anomalies and subglacial movements. The awakening of a volcano could weaken large ice sheets and lead to sudden changes. I witnessed the battle of heat from within the Earth with the cold surface. This struggle can be slow but fate-determining. Scientists are monitoring with radar, seismic networks, and satellite data. Every small pulse could be a warning. Antarctica's frozen face contrasts with the fire rising from beneath it. This contradiction is both a danger and a source of wonder. The disappearing penguin colonies. Penguin colonies are the heartbeat of the Antarctic ecosystem, but sometimes they seem to vanish overnight. Climate pressure offers an explanation, but some losses are unusual. Local sudden, ice breakage, sea ice retreat, hidden dangers can break up a colony. As I watch the life cycle of these colonies, I see the deep impact of fragility. Scientists are tracking changes with drones, satellites, but sometimes answers are missing. Human activity, natural changes, can accelerate these dramatic losses. Every loss reminds us of the complexity of the Antarctic ecosystem and our limited understanding of it. The Whistler signals. In scientific records, sometimes descending whistle-like signals, as if from space, have been recorded. Well, these sounds can be linked to magnetic fields, ice movements, or atmospheric interactions. However, some of their characteristics are still not understood. Their frequencies and durations vary. These unknown signals both intrigue and unsettle those who listen. As I listen to the hum of nature, I collect clues about unknown sources. Researchers are looking for the source by cross-referencing the signals with other data. Every recording opens a new door for discovery, and sometimes there are unexpected things behind the door. The Dry Valleys, Earth's most alien place. The McMurdo Dry Valleys are the strangest corner of Antarctica. There's no ice here, a barren stone desert rules. This is one of the most Mars-like landscapes on Earth. Hot winds, salty surfaces, and almost no life. That's how it is, and scientists use this place as a laboratory for Mars simulations. Even microorganisms are tested here. In the cold and dry solitude of these valleys, I feel how small humans are. This region offers a stage where we test the limits of extreme environments. Research reveals the limits of life, salt accumulations, and traces of wind erosion. The dry valleys are like a monument to ancient Earth surfaces, a meeting point of the past and interplanetary analogues. The moving lakes beneath the ice-hidden lakes beneath Antarctica shift water over time. They're connected by invisible rivers. Examples like Lake Whillans show unexpected dynamics beneath deep ice sheets. The emptying or the filling can trigger regional ice movements. As scientists drill and take water samples, surprising information about the ecology and chemistry of these hidden waters emerges. I think of this underground hydraulic network as beating like the pulse of the Earth. Really. This network, not yet fully mapped, shapes the behavior of the ice sheet. Every new hole is a new window, and what's seen through the window tells stories of the past and the future. The vast unknown of Eastern Antarctica. East Antarctica is still largely unexplored. Human footprints rarely appear there. This vast region holds mysteries. Thick ice crusts, massive plateaus, maps are incomplete, subsurface data is sparse. This uncertainty opens the door to many new discoveries. I listen to the call of this emptiness, danger, possibility. Scientists are gathering pieces with remote radar campaigns, satellite measurements, rare field trips. The unknown of the East holds new climate models, geological discoveries, perhaps more. For now, what we know is limited. Beyond this limit is exciting, terrifying. Antarctica is not just ice, it's where science confronts the unknown. These are what we know. So what do the unknowns hold, we wonder? Our first video had millions of views. Thank you for watching the second series. In this video, we mentioned 10 more mysteries, each one like a beating heart beneath the silence of the pole. The link to the previous video and a subscribe call should appear visually in the bottom corner of the screen. Subscribe for more, there you go.